Do we need skills other than copywriting to actually land clients like sales and marketing? Yeah, to some degree you do, but I'm going to say this. Start with one skill. Start with copywriting. Just focus first and foremost on getting good at understanding how to write copy that sells. Understand consumer psychology. Understand how to write a sales message from scratch. Understand frameworks like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, like PAS, problem, agitate, solution. Like figure out how to actually write copy from scratch. Get good at the skill itself. Be a student of copy, write every day and study every day for at least like 2 to 4 weeks before you start landing clients. And then I'll say this, you could get by just writing emails in a Google Doc for a client and making a few $1,000s a month. Like you for sure can, without learning all this other marketing and sales stuff and whatever, right? But you're going to make more money if you also learn like email marketing. So if you learn how to put the copy into the email software, if you learn how to schedule it, if you learn how to A/B test it, if you learn the software, if you learn how to do reports, if you learn how to segment, if you learn how to grow a list, how to create lead magnets, all that stuff, you're going to make yourself more valuable to the business owner. You can take more stuff off their plate and give them better results. You'll make more money, right? So, but don't worry too much about like learning crazy in-depth marketing stuff ahead of time. Just start with copywriting. Just learn copywriting, get that skill down, and then in terms of sales, like yeah, there's some things that if you know how to talk to people, like you're gonna make more money. Okay, but even like sales conversations, like the easiest way to sell people is just go help them up front and explain that you can help them even more. Like it's actually not very difficult to figure it out. Is like go find the rich people, go look at their stuff ahead of time, go write up some copy tips and go write them their first piece of copy, and then go give it to them. Let them know you see a bunch of ways they can improve their stuff. Tell them how to improve it, and then say, "Hey, I got some more tips for you, and if you want some more help, we can talk about working together. Let's hop on a quick call and I'll give you some more advice." And on that call, just go talk to them. Hey, what are you trying to do with your business? What's your goals? What's your challenge with your copywriting and your marketing? Like, this is what I'm seeing in your business. What are you trying to do? You're trying to make more money? Oh, cool. Hey, well, guess what? I see that you could probably use some help with email. Is that something you'd be interested in doing? Okay, cool. I'll shoot you over some packages and see if there's a fit for us to work together. That's sales. Just go find out what people need and find out what their gap is and go give it to them.